Vroom. Welcome back to Cool Rides in New England. This time we are starting a new video series. This is from the Darling Classic Cars car show. Darling's is in South Ryegate, Vermont. They are a classic car restoration and repair shop. And don't remember how many years, but I think it's something like 12 years they've been doing this. And real nice turnout and a lot of really great cars. So let's get into it. First car we come up upon right here is a 1967 Malibu convertible. It is for sale, 400 with a 4-speed, and it is an exceptionally clean car. Head over to Wells River Chevy if you want to buy this bad boy. It's definitely got the right color combo, black with red interior. Now we're looking at a 65 Chevy El Camino. This also is for sale at Wells River Chevrolet in Wells River, Vermont. It is another gorgeous looking Chevy El Camino, and we'll get a little bit more info on it in just a second when I zoom in. Here we go. So that's a 327 4-speed car, and the condition it's in, if I had it, I'd probably pay it. 1956 Ford Crown Vic. Great cars. I've looked at a bunch of them over this summer, and they are just fantastic. Interior, exterior, the chrome on them, the lines, just everything is just screams quintessential 50s. Now we're looking at an 89 Chevy Cavalier Z24 convertible. These things, when I was in school, if you had a Z24 convertible, or a Z24 for that matter, you were doing pretty good. The 2.8 liter that's in this car was also available in the Camaro, the V6 Camaro of the time. I had one of those, and they were quick enough for me. Definitely didn't have the power of a V6 today, but nice cars. And these are cars that definitely aren't saved. Now we're looking at a 68 Plymouth Roadrunner. Looks like a 383 under the hood there. Very nice interior. I like the two-tone red and maroon. This looks to be a marine-owned car, so thank you for your service to the owner of this car. 31 Plymouth, 4-door. Love the fenders on these. And the modern interior, or not interior, seats are definitely not vintage, and the steering column is definitely not vintage. Great looking car overall. Owner did a fantastic job with the restoration on this. Very nice. 37 Ford Coupe. Now whether this actually is a race car or whether it's just done up to look like one. Again, much more comfortable seats than I'm sure what was originally in the car. V8 sitting right there. I love the teardrop headlights. Now we're looking at a 39 Ford Deluxe Coupe. Again, far more modern engine than what would originally been in that. And I believe that is a Chevy crate engine. There's some info on it. Anybody wants that? 50 grand and it's yours. Really nice looking coupe. Said it before, you know, black is very hard to do on cars, especially when you got a lot of curves, and that is really nice black paint. 1972 Chevy Nova. Love the paint job on this. I love the green and silver. Color combos you don't see too often. Nice interior. All those dual exhausts sticking out there. (1937) Chevy, Plymouth panel delivery. See Venom there. It's definitely snake themed. You got the snake heads for the steps. You've got snake head for the shifter. You've got snakes everywhere in this thing. Not my favorite thing. Very interesting paint job on this. Really cool. Very cool street rod. (1938) DeSoto, known as Bones, as you can see by the license plate on the front. And you'll see in a minute why Bones is there. You can see hands on the mirrors, skulls everywhere. Skeletons in the back. Skulls there. Yeah, this car was skulls and skeletons everywhere. Really cool car though. Paint job, I love the purple and black. Very cool. And there's a Chevy Camaro. This is a second gen. This is going to be the early second gen, 70 to 73. This is E28. Great color on this car. I love the orange with black stripes. Those Krieger, I think those are Kriegers. The rims are really nice on it. That engine sitting in there is a dream. Very nice looking Camaro. And we got a C5 Corvette convertible. C5 was the last year you could get a pop-up headlight. Was the last style, I should say, not like. Never a huge fan of the rear end of these Corvettes, but lots of other people, you know, just adore them. Great looking car nonetheless. We have I believe this is going to be a Ford street rod. And this is a really, really amazing car. Again, black, beautiful black paint on this. The pinstriping is amazing. I love the rims, and something I don't see very often is the pinstriped flames. Absolutely amazing. Chop top on this, much needed interior upgrades in the seating. Just a fantastic street rod right here. The flames are very subdued but really cool. And here's a really special car. We got a 1978 Porsche 930 911. This is a turbocharged 3.3 liter. This is one of 853 total cars in the world. So this is a pretty rare Porsche, and it is. I love the wide body of the 930s. It was really cool. The whale's tail in the back. This one's seen some upgrades in the interior department with the roll bar there. This car, I'm sure, can haul ass. Great looking turbo 911. 1950 DeSoto Custom. Not sure if that's an inline 6 or 8. I think it's a 6. Love the Mexican blankets for the seat coverings. Way cool. This paint scheme, very interesting. Great looking little DeSoto right there. $1949 Plymouth Special Deluxe. This is really a nice car too. And pretty much just as you would have found it in 1949. The paint is very 40, late 40s. The chrome is just amazing on this car. And he's got a few more. If you're interested in either of those cars, give a call. $1962 Chevy Impala SS. Great windshield on this car. Love the kind of bubble look of it. Again, the chrome work is great on this car, especially look at all this stuff in the back here. And white paint. Really, really nice looking Impala SS. And this is a 73, 74, somewhere in that area, Plymouth Roadrunner. Beautiful interior on this car. So 383 under the hood, if the numbering is correct, which I'm sure it is. And this one is for sale as well. Final car is an El Camino. We're going to let the owner talk a little bit more about it. How you doing?
Good, you?
Not too bad. How long have you had it?
Not quite a year.
Oh.
Got it last September at the Hot Rod Show in Wellington.
In this condition, or have you done a bunch of work?
No, right in this condition. I just had to put 4 spaces in it. That's it. he wanted 20 grand. I said, I don't think so. It'll cost you that much in gas to get it back in the trailer. I said, no.
Thank you for watching this first video of the Darling Classic Cars Car Show. We thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share, like. As always, we're on all sorts of social media, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest. We have a blog going. We have some other things that are in the works there. So follow those as well, and have a day. Hopefully it's a good one. Take care, everyone.